Corey, this is for you. This is the cafe levitate. Ready? Alright. I'm going to attempt to levitate right now. First foot. Second foot. Now I will do both. Oh. Okay, second time is a charm. Yes. Now we'll attempt to do it again. Now I will walk backwards into the side wall, with little assistance holding me back.